Oh, wow, I'm so glad I came back just in time. Oh, wow. This is shocking right here. I mean, Seth Wilson done a good job these past few weeks. Okay. Yes, indeed. 12 days, and we'll definitely see him in the Tournament of Champions. I sure can't wait. Okay. So, Margie, she better not blow it tomorrow, you know. I mean, defeating Seth Wilson today, she better not blow it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week or so like that, you know. Or she won't join Seth Wilson in the Tournament of Champions along with Buzzy Cohen, Andrew Powell, Hunter Appler, and Pranchal. I still don't know how to pronounce his last name for some reason, you know. You know something? I'm so glad that Seth Wilson is going to be in the Tournament of Champions. But you know what? We need a woman to win a lot of money to participate in the Tournament of Champions. Okay? Can this woman that defeats Seth Wilson face off in the Tournament of Champions? We'll have to see. Okay? Let's hope that she do a good job. Okay? Or I will say tomorrow or any day. If she not qualified, I'll say she's a suckish Jeopardy player. She was suckish today, but she redeemed herself today. Okay. All right. So let's see how well she gonna do tomorrow. You know what? Before I end this video, I want to say the audience was oh, yep. The audience say oh. You know something? He should have risked it all, and he would have won one more time. You know, if he would have risked it all today, he would have still been champion. But wagered $5. Holy smokes! I can't believe that. Oh! You know, this remind me of last season when Matt Jackson got defeated by Michael Baker. You know, Mr. Doritos. Okay. All right, so, all right. I was gonna talk about my little niece, but we gonna talk about her another time. Okay, so I missed last night with Seth Powell. I mean, not Seth Powell, Seth Wilson. I'm thinking about Andrew Powell. Okay, so let's see if Tim Coots is gonna participate in the Tournament of Champions this year. If not, bon voyage. Okay, well that's all Domino 7 got to say. Okay. Peace out.